In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do an inverted row with bent knees on a TRX. So firstly, the number one question I get is, where do I put the handles? How do I know that the handles are set up in the correct position? So when you're on the floor, what I want you to do is I want you to place your hands up, straight up in line from your shoulders. And if you can grab onto the TRX comfortably, you're in the right position. If you're all the way down here and you haven't got extended arms, or you're really having to reach for the TRX, you know the handles are in the wrong place. So from here, I've got this TRX slightly off center. You're going to bring your knees into a bent position, feet pointing forwards at hip width apart. And from here, you're going to do your first repetition and you're going to try and bring your hips up in line with your knees. So brace the core, come up in one block. So try to come up with your upper body and lower body at the same time, as opposed to just your upper body, then bringing your lower body up. So what you're going to do is you're going to retract your shoulder blades as you come up, slowly back down to your start position. And each time you come up, that is one repetition. When you're coming down, try to bring your hips and your upper body in line, and you'll know they're in line because when you come down and land, what you should be feeling is the back and hips touch the floor at the same time. So for example, when I'm coming up, I'm squeezing my shoulder blades, I'm trying when I come down to have everything touch at the same time apart from my head, which is going to be slightly tucked in for health and safety during the exercise. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do an inverted row with your knees bent.